Hi, thanks for joining me one more time. Let's log into that Noon Academy so I can show you everything that you need to know for your more advanced training. Once you log into the Noon Academy, you are going to go ahead and click the in-depth skincare knowledge. Hopefully you finish the Noon Aesthetic Skincare Fundamentals. Once you have, you are absolutely going to enjoy this in-depth skincare knowledge. This is definitely more advanced training, more science for all of you chemists out there that really want to get ingredient savvy. You are going to see different live webinars that have been recorded for you. Topics will be revolutionary skincare, aesthetic peels and in-clinic products, acne, pigmentation, anti-aging, Noon Aesthetics Triple MCH. Again, these are going to give you in-depth ingredients and the protocols to go with this. If you scroll down, you're going to see a different section that is called additional materials. Once you click one of these, you're going to see a PDF pop up that you can actually read a PowerPoint presentation. And this way, this is just some of you like more visuals. This will go into everything about the products.